Breaking the filter bubble: how to diversify your online news sources. In today's world, it's easier than ever to find news articles that cater to our individual interests and beliefs. With the rise of personalized recommendation algorithms and social media platforms, W. E can curate a news feed that reflects our worldview and reinforces our existing opinions. While this may seem convenient, it also creates an echo chamber where we are surrounded by like-minded individuals, limiting our exposure to new perspectives. However, breaking out of this filter bubble is crucial to a well-rounded perspective and a healthy democracy. Here are some tips for diversifying your online news sources and breaking out of your filter bubble. 1. Check multiple sources for the same story. When a major news event occurs, it's important to read about it from multiple sources to get a full picture of what's happening. Different news outlets may emphasize different aspects of the story or present different perspectives on its implications. By cross-checking multiple sources, you can better understand the nuances of the story and identify any potential biases. 2. Follow news outlets from different political perspectives. It's easy to get stuck in an ideological bubble if you only follow news outlets that share your political views. To broaden your perspective, consider following news outlets from across the political spectrum. For example, if you lean left, you might follow MSNBC and the New York Times, but also consider following Fox News and the Wall Street Journal. If you lean right, consider following BrayTV, Art and the Daily Caller, but also follow CNN and the Washington Post. 3. Look for international news sources. Many news stories have an international component that may be missed if you only consume domestic news. Following international news sources can help broaden your perspective on world events and expo say you to different cultural perspectives. For example, the BBC, Al Jazeera, and Reuters are all reputable international news sources that provide coverage of world events. 4. Use fact-checking websites. Fake news and misinformation are rampant online, and it's easy to fall prey to clickbait headlines and misleading articles. Fact-checking websites like Snopes, PolitiFact, and factcheck.org can help you determine whether a news story is accurate or misleading. Before sharing a news story on social media or citing it in a conversation, take a moment to fact-check it and ensure that it's based on factual evidence. 5. Engage with opinions that challenge your own. One of the risks of the filter bubble is that we become entrenched in our own opinions and become resistant to new ideas that challenge our worldview. To overcome this, seek out opinions that challenge your own and engage with them in a respectful and constructive way. This can help you refine your own views and develop a more nuanced understanding of complex issues. 6. Use social media mindfully. Social media can be a powerful tool for information sharing, but it's also a major contributor to the filter bubble. Facebook's news feed algorithm is designed to show you content that it thinks you like, based on your past behavior. To avoid getting stuck in an echo chamber, be mindful of who you follow on social media and seek out diverse perspectives. Also, consider using social media platforms that emphasize news stories, such as Twitter or Reddit. Breaking out of the filter bubble takes effort, but it's essential for a well-rounded perspective and a healthy democracy. By following these tips and seeking out a diverse range of news sources, you can broaden your understanding of the world and become a more informed and engaged citizen. 7. Attend events with diverse viewpoints. In addition to consuming news from a variety of sources, attending events that feature diverse viewpoints can also help you to break out of your filter bubble. This might include debates, conferences,